that 48 members of a family in Migori County have contracted the novel coronavirus. The government says it is alarmed by the growing number of COVID-19 infections due to community spread. Health CS Mutahi Kagwe is even yet to come to terms with the community spread trail that has left the 48 battling COVID-19.
Somebody came from Nairobi and went to Migori, and there started that whole thing within the family. In addition to that, I think we also had somebody who came from Nairobi, went to, I think, Siaya with the mother to say hello to the mother, took the disease to the mother. He then brought the mother back to Nairobi to be treated. He died, unfortunately, and the mother is being treated.
And as friends and family members gathered at Got Ogoche village in Suna East, Migori County, to bid Moses Osore, one of the 48, goodbye in a somber send-off on Wednesday, the deceased mother is currently receiving treatment in intensive care unit. But the deceased brother, Nakuru advocate Gordon Ogola, has refuted claims that the disease has spread across 3 generations in the family, infecting up to 48 of them.
So far, the report that we have from the Ministry of Health, especially those who are tested here, they're not more than 20.
Seemingly startled by the reports, Kagwe has warned Kenyans against tempting fate and dancing with danger.
Ni lazima tuchunge familia zetu. Ukisikia ati iko familia moja ya watu 48 ambao familia moja iko COVID positive, hiyo ni kusema ya kwamba hii virusi imeenea kila pahali katika nchi yetu ya Kenya.
The CS has warned that more families risk infections if defiance of containment measures prevail.
Sio hiyo tu peke yake Muthoka, ambayo sio familia hii tu peke yake ambao imeubukizwa kama familia ikiwa yote. Familia sasa ni nyingi katika Kenya ambazo unaenda kwao utaambiwa mama ako nayo, mtoto ako nayo, hata grandchild.
This as the government today launched additional beds for COVID-19 patients at the Kenyatta University Teaching Referral and Research Hospital. The beds are set to sustain the increasing number of COVID-19 infections as a potential peak looms. The Kenyatta University Hospital has also received 20 Cuban doctors as the government promises to employ new health workers in the coming days.
And as the number of new infections continues to rise, the capacity for the hospital to receive more patients is getting smaller and smaller. And to deal with this problem, Kenyatta University Teaching, Referral and Research Hospital has today added 60-bed infectious disease unit consisting of ICU and HDU.
On Wednesday, the country recorded 671 new COVID-19 infections as 603 people recovered from the virus in the past 24 hours. 3 more people succumbed to the virus, among them 2 health workers.
That is why we have purposed to ensure that we have personal protective equipment. We have done capacity building. We have done training on infection prevention control.
This brings the total number of COVID-19 infections to 23,873, 145 days since the country recorded its patient zero. The setup of extra isolation beds here at the Kenyatta University Hospital is set to up the government game in sustaining the growing surge in COVID-19 infections. But the government is wary of community spread of the novel coronavirus. David Muthoka, TV47 at the Kenyatta University Hospital.